1. Good morning, TikTok and YouTube. In today's video, I will be doing the lovely and beautiful Kelly Rowland. Y'all gonna tap on that screen for me, please, and show me some love. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Me, not yet, not yet. But my focus is doing my YouTube business. That's what I want to do. So that's my focus. I'm going to use my Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the color dark brown. I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in just a little bit. I don't have to really. If you guys saw towards the end, I just started like cutting my eyebrows and I didn't know it was going to be perfect. This is what you call perfect. Like you don't have to apply anything. So I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer. Hey guys. If you're just joining my live, please tap on that screen for me and show your girl some love. We are going to be recreating the beautiful Kelly Rowland eyeshadow makeup look if you see right behind me. I'm going to use my sponge and I'm going to blend out that concealer. Come on y'all, double tap for me. Then we're going to use the Buy Me Rose eyeshadow palette by I Envy. I'm going to use the color Flutter. And I'm going to start applying towards the outer corner of my eye. Y'all come on and double tap for me. All y'all coming on here looking. Just show your girl some love, at least. If you don't even stay on the live for long, just double tap. 26 people. Thank you, Jonlette Lachey. Thank you. Alright. And then we're going to go in. I have my new eyeshadow palette. This is Ruby Kisses. This is called Weka Beach. And I'm going to use like a lavender color. I'm going to use this color here. And I'm going to apply it like in the inner corner of my eye. Thank you. Thank you, Jonlette. Thank you. So I'm applying this color in the inner corner of my eye. And you guys, I'm going to use your guys' favorite lashes by I Envy. This is the Crystal Glow Trilliant. These are the lashes I've been wearing all week. And they look very, very natural. So I'm just showing you guys you can wear your lashes all week long. As long as you take good care of them and know how to apply. I'm going to use I Envy 3D Lash Glue. Adhesive. This is in the color Clear. I'm going to apply some around the rim of my lash. This helps for my lashes to stay on longer. What you mean enlighten your eyes? What you mean by that? And share my live, guys, to your friends. So these are the lashes. You never wore lashes? Wow. I used to be scared, but you know, I got over that, and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna wear these babies. So you just apply them like close to your lash line. I use my fingers, but everybody be using like the little curl lashers to apply them. I was trying to do that. I kept poking myself in the eye. I said, nah, I can't do that. Everybody have their own technique of how to apply lashes. So this is my technique. So got that, and then I'm going to enhance here. You got skills. Thank you. I'm going to use Flutter. I'm going to pin that actually if I can. I don't know, it's not letting me. Okay, now I'm going to use the color Flutter from the I Envy by Me Rose eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to extend that brown color out. Thank you so much for your positive vibes and coming on to tell me, because a lot of people just come on here and just look and then disappear. I get tired of that, because you can just say, hey, just showing support. This is the Kiss Hydrating and Grip Primer, Face Primer. And thank you for commenting. That means a lot to me. I'm going to use that. I'm going to apply that on my skin. This is the face primer by I Envy. This is their new hydration and grip. So this is usually helps with the makeup, foundation, all of the makeup that you apply on your face. I'm going to go in and use my Cool Cafe 2-in-1, Cool Cafe 2-in-1 foundation concealer. I'm going to create like little dots. Like I'm going to start here, here, here. I love to support and come in on my spot. Oh, thank you. It's probably a good 5 of you guys that come on here and comment. Because I want people to ask questions like, how did you do that? How can you, I like people to ask questions. And then I'm going to start applying. So just blend. Take your time blending that concealer / foundation. Either of your choice. Take your time blending it out. Don't try to blend all of it at once, because it'd be a big mess and it just won't look right. So just take your time blending. You don't need that much of concealer or foundation. I'm going to use my, oh no, that's the wrong one. I'm going to use Carto. This is number 06 by Nika K. And I'm just going to, oh no, that's the wrong one. I'm going to use Carto. This is number 06 by Nika K. And I'm just going to apply a, oh no, that's the wrong one. I'm going to use Carto. This is number 06 by Nika K. And I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eye. Here and here. And that's all I did. I don't need that much makeup on my skin. I'm just applying just a little bit to enhance the eyeshadow. If you guys are just coming on, please double tap that screen for me. Show you girl some love. Did you teach yourself or did you go to makeup school? I taught myself. I was always like on YouTube, and I used to ask people to do my makeup and people acted funny towards me. So I said to myself, oops, I said to myself, I'm going to just do stuff on my own because I'm just tired of asking people that act so funny, you know. So I learned on my own. And I was just tired of looking at other YouTubers putting all that makeup on. I'm using the Cocoa by Nika K pencil A117 to outline my lips, y'all. This pencil only costs like $1, and I love this color, Cocoa. And then I'm going to use the other color. It's called Yours Truly by LA Girl. Yep, I just taught myself. And I just look at other YouTubers. So, and I'm going to use my concealer again, y'all, to outline my lips. Give me the brass lips. Come on, everybody. If you're just coming onto this live, tap on that screen for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Double tap, everybody. Show your girl some love. I don't have any blush. My blush just exploded on me last night on the live when I did left eye makeup. So I gotta get some more, guys. I'm sorry to disappoint. I was trying to do the eyeshadow, but it started itching. So I said, you know what? I think that's just God way saying I don't need it. But if you guys want to collaborate with me on here, I am happy to. It doesn't matter. Nobody's not perfect with makeup because I'm not perfect. I mean, I just do what I know or I can. I'm going to use Pity Pat and I'm going to apply a little. And I'm going to use Propose. Thank you. Everybody's looking all in the live and not showing love. But if it was Rihanna or any of those artists, y'all be all up in their live. Thank you, Gillette, for still tapping because everybody act like they can't tap. So, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright guys, this is The Beautiful Look by Kelly Rowland. That the picture you guys see behind me, well, YouTube you guys can't see it, but TikTok can. This is the look that I have recreated. I hope you guys did enjoy and like the live. You're an artist? No. Free agent. I just like to play with makeup, so I'm not an artist. Everybody think I'm a makeup artist, but I'm not. So I just like to recreate. I do have a YouTube channel though. You guys can check me out there at Modest Transformation by Celeste. I do all the makeups. If you guys want to see how I did Talia, Aaliyah, who else I did? Zendaya, and now the Kelly Rowland. Guys, just go follow me on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. My goal is to get up to 12,000 subscribers. And I want to get up to 2,000 subscribers on here on TikTok. So you guys, just please just show support and just, you know, help one another. But this channel is all about fun and transformation, meaning just being yourself and also just a guiding tool. And I just want to show young ladies that you don't have to wear a lot of makeup. It can just be very simple. And it's just very enlightening and positive channel that everyone can come and just relax, whether you're having a great day or bad day. So just come over to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. And you guys can also ask me to do other makeup you guys might see from other celebrities. And I will do it in your demand. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Also follow me on TikTok, which is here, Transformation by Celeste. And I do also have another Instagram, which is my personal Instagram, sexyriri_93. You can find all those links in my bio. So thank y'all so much. Jonlette, Lachelle E, thank you so much. And thank you. And yes, go follow me on my YouTube channel. And if you guys have any makeup, I can't even get the words out, artist you want me to do, you guys can direct message me on here or on my YouTube channel or Instagram and say, hey, we would like you to do an artist, Normani, just example, at an event she was at, and I can recreate that look for you guys. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. You guys, we got to do better on these lives. Just tap and just show support. I'm not asking for money. I'm just asking for y'all love and support. That's all on TikTok. Thank y'all so much, and I will see y'all later this evening. We will do more makeup, I guess. Thank you. Thank you, Jonlette Lachey. I was trying to comment, ping your message, but I don't know. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Jonlette, thank you so much for the positive vibes and liking my live. And I will see y'all later. Go follow me on my YouTube channel and my Instagrams, both of my Instagrams. And I will see y'all guys. I will see you guys later. All right. Have a blessed Friday. Bye.